for the KHB 32 listening area. For the following marine location, coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Issued at 3:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Small craft exercise caution tonight. Tonight, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots, then becoming east 15 to 20 knots after midnight. Seas 2 to 4 feet. A chance of thunderstorms in the evening. A slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Thursday, east winds around 15 knots, diminishing to 5 to 10 knots early in the afternoon, then becoming northeast late in the afternoon. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Thursday night, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots, then becoming east around 15 knots after midnight. Seas 2 feet. Isolated thunderstorms. Friday, east winds around 15 knots, diminishing to 5 to 10 knots early in the afternoon, then becoming northeast around 5 knots late in the afternoon. Seas 2 feet. Isolated thunderstorms in the morning. Scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon. Friday night, northeast winds around 10 knots, then becoming east after midnight. Seas 2 feet. Scattered thunderstorms. Saturday, east winds around 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. Scattered thunderstorms. Saturday night, east winds around 10 knots. Seas 2 feet or less. Scattered thunderstorms. Sunday, northeast winds around 10 knots. Seas 2 feet or less. Scattered thunderstorms. Sunday night, east winds around 10 knots. Seas 2 feet or less. Scattered thunderstorms. Monday, east winds around 10 knots. Seas 2 feet or less. Scattered thunderstorms in the morning, then isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon. At St. Petersburg, high tide at 7:15 p.m. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast issued 2 p.m. Wednesday, September 7th, 2016 for the KHB 32 listening area. For the following counties in Florida: Hillsborough, Pasco, Pinellas, and Polk, including the cities of Newport Richey, Zephyr Hills, Clearwater, St. Petersburg, Brandon, and Tampa. Tonight, partly cloudy until midnight, then clearing. Lows in the lower 70s. East winds around 5 miles an hour. Thursday, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs around 90. East winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Isolated showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the mid-70s. East winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Friday, partly cloudy. Scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 90s. East winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Friday night, partly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then mostly clear after midnight. Lows in the mid-70s. East winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Saturday, partly sunny with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s. Chance of rain 50%. Saturday night, partly cloudy with isolated showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-70s. Chance of rain 20%. And now the extended forecast for the radio listening area. Sunday, partly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s. Chance of rain 40%. Sunday night, partly cloudy with isolated showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-70s. Chance of rain 20%. Monday, partly sunny with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s. Chance of rain 50%. Monday night, partly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-70s. Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday, partly sunny with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Highs around 90. Chance of rain 50%. Tuesday night, partly cloudy with isolated showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-70s. Chance of rain 20%. Wednesday, partly sunny with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Highs around 90. Chance of rain 50%. Synopsis. A broad area of high pressure will remain over the southeast United States, keeping a northeasterly low-level flow at the surface. Isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms will develop tomorrow afternoon, mainly south of the Interstate 4 corridor, with best precipitation chances over southwest Florida. The flood warning continues for the Cypress Creek at Worthington Gardens until further notice. At 8 a.m. Wednesday, the stage was 9.9 feet. Flood stage is 8 feet. The river will continue to fall to a stage of 9.8 feet by impact. At 8 feet, flooding begins at the recreation area on State Road 54. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 10 feet on September 4, 1985. Do not drive cars through flooded areas. Stay tuned to developments by listening to NOAA Weather Radio. The latest forecast can also be found on weather.gov/Tampa Bay. You can follow NWS Tampa Bay on Twitter and like us on Facebook. Flood warning extended until Thursday afternoon. The flood warning continues for the Alafai River at Lithia until Thursday afternoon. At 8 a.m. Wednesday, the stage was 14.4 feet. Flood stage is 13 feet. The river is expected to fall below flood stage by tomorrow late morning. Impact at 15 feet. Additional residences downstream of State Road 640 bridge begin flooding. Impact at 13 feet. River Drive and Squirrel Runway downstream of State Road 640 are completely covered by water. One home begins to flood. Impact at 12 feet. Water begins to affect River Drive and Squirrel Runway downstream of State Road 640. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 14.3 feet on September 10, 1957. Do not drive cars through flooded areas. Stay tuned to developments by listening to NOAA Weather Radio. The latest forecast can also be found on weather.gov/Tampa Bay. You can follow NWS Tampa Bay on Twitter and like us on Facebook. The current time is 7:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The tropical weather outlook issued by the National Hurricane Center in Miami. Issued at 7:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico, a tropical wave located near the Cabo Verde Islands is accompanied by disorganized showers and thunderstorms. Significant development of the system is not expected during the next couple of days. However, conditions are forecast to become a little more favorable for gradual development, and a tropical depression could form by early next week while the system moves westward and then west-northwestward into the central Atlantic. Formation chance through 48 hours, low, 10% formation chance through 5 days, medium, 60%. These are the 7 p.m. observations for the local area on Wednesday, September 7th. At Tampa International, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 89 degrees, the dew point 64, and the relative humidity 43%. The wind was east at 7 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.09 inches and steady. At St. Pete Clearwater Airport, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 88 degrees, the dew point 70, and the relative humidity 55%. The wind was east at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.08 inches and steady. At Lakeland, it was clear. The temperature was 86 degrees, the dew point 66, and the relative humidity 51%. The wind was east at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.10 inches and falling. It was clear, with a temperature of 88 at Plant City Municipal Airport, 85 at Brooksville, 85 at Kissimmee, and 86 at Winter Haven. It was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 87 at MacDill Air Force Base, and 84 at Orlando. It was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 82 at Punta Gorda, and 82 at Fort Myers. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 84 at downtown St. Petersburg, and 85 at Sarasota Bradenton Airport. It was fair, with a temperature of 84 at Bartow, and 81 at Venice Municipal Airport. Marine reports along the coast and offshore buoys. At the Seaman site at Cedar Key, winds were northwest, at 5 knots. Air temperature 85 degrees. At the Seaman site at Venice, winds were east, at 2 knots. Sea temperature 83 degrees. Air temperature 80 degrees. 100 miles west of Bayport, winds were from the east at 8 knots. Sea temperature 83 degrees. Air temperature 82. Wave height 2 feet. Wave period 5 seconds. 210 miles west of Captiva, the air temperature was 83 degrees. Sea surface temperature was 85 degrees. The barometer was 1018.6 millibars and falling. Winds were northeast at 12 knots, gusting to 12. The wave period was 5 seconds, and the wave height 3 feet. Your coastal waters forecast for the KHB 32 listening